What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. This is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. My disclaimer just auto-played. Well, let me fix this one first. Restart playback. Become all right, guys, so let's check. I will update you with some of the charts today. We have discussed Bitcoin, Ethereum, SP 500. We have Dogecoin. Again, my disclaimer keeps on playing. 1 second, guys. How do you stop this? All right. So I think it's already stopped. Just give me 1 sec. We have some new setup going on here, so just a little bit of 1 sec. Just give me a few seconds here. All right, so I think we're all set. All right, so let's check. Crypto bubble. How is your trade going today? Let me just open my monitor here. I'm a little bit late today because I have installed my new light, 2 lights, making some improvement about our stream to give you better view and better service. 1 sec, guys. Just let me just open my monitor. Right. We have new destination. Please do Rune. All right, so let's check Rune today. Welcome to the live stream. We have Rishi Koticha. Yo, what's up? We have Andres Jaworski. How are you all doing today? We have Shams Ula. What's up? We have Rashad. Bro, quick update on BTC. I'll give you an update, guys. I haven't checked my trade, and when I checked, I was actually shocked. Everything was just, all my shorts from around 500 went to 1000%, all of them. So I wasn't able to check. I was cleaning my phone, I was installing my new lights, so I wasn't able to check my trade, but all good today. Quick update on BTC. We have Da Vinci watching the stream today. We have Alex Hills. Please check BITGET. Yes, Rashad, hit that like and subscribe. All right. So let's check, guys. Let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. I will update you with the some of our trades yesterday. So what you can see, my hair are also a little bit messy today. So right. So we have here all green. Did we get a bounce? I think we got a bounce. Hey, chill, hit the like. All right. So crypto bubble here. The only red right now is DFY, and mostly are green, but when I checked 1 hour ago, mostly I think dropped to the support level. So Ethereum, Bitcoin is on the support level right now, and based on the Fibonacci retracement, we are on a critical level. Are we going to break down and revisit the previous low, or are we going to bounce from the current levels? I'm going to show you the chart today and my expectation in the coming days. Crypto bubble, a little bit of bounce, I think, from the drop a while ago. And let's check fear and greed index. Let me refresh. Still at 41%. We are still, retails are still in the market. They haven't sold their position yet. So I think they have bought the buy high, or buy high, sell low. That's what the most of the retails are doing. They would like to buy high, buy into FOMO, and sell low when they see the price crashing. So I think some FOMO'd on 2,000 Ethereum, 24,000 Bitcoin, or 25,000 Bitcoin. So while we are shorting, most of the other retails that are not aware of what is happening with the market are buying. So those levels you should not be buying, you should be selling. I have sold my Ethereum at 2,000. I've sold my Matic at 0.96 area. So what do you think? Did I make the right decision, or I made the wrong decision by selling my Ethereum and Polygon Matic? So I will wait to if I can catch lower price. If I can get a lower price, then I will reaccumulate Polygon Matic and Ethereum. So here's the liquidation in the past 24 hours. Mostly our long position. Past 4 hours, 56% long position are getting liquidated. All right. So no news today. Let's go directly to the charts and some of the chart requests. All right. So will not waste time. Bitcoin bouncing from the orange support here. This will be the first support for Bitcoin. And now we are seeing a small bounce. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. We're getting a small bounce here, and possible bounce target will be this previous resistance here. So around 23,700 we can get a bounce, and I think we are going to continue to drop because of the SP 500. Right now in the 1 hour time frame, the RSI is in the oversold area, so we might get a small bounce and a consolidation before dropping further. It depends. Also, as what you can see, MACD is looking weak in the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. What is happening with the daily time frame? So daily time frame, we are just halfway, and this is going to the oversold area, but still in the halfway. And also MACD. Look at this MACD. This is now MACD is showing weakness. This has already crossed the orange line, which means we don't have much momentum to the upside, and the momentum currently is to the downside. So we have seen a pump early this morning, and here exactly Bitcoin got rejected from my resistance line, and what we have discussed yesterday, watch out for this level. We might get a bounce. Same with Ethereum. So for Bitcoin, this was the level that I was watching yesterday, 23,800 level, and we got a bounce up to 24,400, exactly on the resistance level. If you're going to zoom this in, this is very, very, very close to the resistance line here that I've set, this green line. Bitcoin got rejected and dumped back to this orange line. This will be the first support here. First support that I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And I'm expecting a small bounce until 23,700 area, this white lines. This will be the target for the bounce, and eventually I think Bitcoin is going to continue to move down until we get a retest to this key level support. So this is the support that we need to watch out. I think we're going to bounce from this level, or so the next possible price action for Bitcoin that we need to watch out is the daily candle close today. Daily candle close below this orange line. Likely scenario, Bitcoin will revisit the key level support at 22,600. We have tested, Bitcoin's price have tested And by the way, let me play now my disclaimer, guys. One sec, another technical difficulties here. One sec. Bear with me today. Let me just copy this here. And let me play the disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right. So we got that one. Today was the first day, so bear with me today. We'll fix all this technical issues in the next stream. So, all right. So going back to Bitcoin, just a quick disclaimer before we proceed, guys. So going back to Bitcoin, I'm expecting, watch out for the daily candle close. Daily candle close above this orange line. We might retest this level here, or around this resistance. Possible revisit the previous resistance here if the daily candle close above this orange line, or this will serve as a strong resistance here, this level. I will change this color to yellow. Watch out for this level. If we get a bounce, we have a strong resistance on this level, 23,830. If daily candle close above the orange line, Bitcoin might revisit the yellow line until this green line here, 24,500. But if Bitcoin daily candle close below this orange line, Bitcoin might revisit and retest the previous key level support at 22,600. This will be the key level support to maintain the bullish momentum. If Bitcoin fails to hold this as a support, Bitcoin might revisit the previous lows. First support we have at 20,800, second support at $19,000. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. The range that we are going to look at, or we are going to play until tomorrow, will be this area here, 22,000 until 24,500. That will be our range. So if you want safer entry, make sure you enter either on the top of this area, square rectangle area at the top, near the top, or near this bottom area here at around key level support. If you want to set a long position near the support, this orange line, a little bit risk, but you can set quick long position near the orange line because this is a support, or 22,600 will be the next possible quick long position target. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. Let's move on to S&P 500. S&P 500, as what I've discussed yesterday, is currently on the resistance level, and this will be the key level support to maintain bullish momentum. This descending broadening wedge is a bullish pattern, guys. So possible, likely it will break out from the resistance trend line. But if the price falls below this key level support, S&P 500 might revisit this area here, the previous low here, local low at around 3654 area. So that's for S&P 500. Let me check some of the chats here. What's the probability of us forming a new bottom. Hello, awesome decision, bro. Hey, chill, hit the like. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys. Support channel. How many watching right now? We have 19 watching, only 8 likes. Some really don't like the like good information, or they just want to FOMO. They want this kind of information. Bitcoin is going to 100,000 in the coming 6 months. So buy now, buy Bitcoin. A lot of the retails like those kinds of review. So let's move on. Let's proceed with Ethereum. So this was a chart this was the trade setup yesterday, guys, in the previous stream. Long position, blue line, and target for the long position is the top of this falling wedge, which is around 1,933. So if you have set a long position, take profit on the top of this falling wedge at around 1933. Was a perfect long position. That was 4% from the long position here. And right now Ethereum is bouncing back and back to our long position here. So if you have entered this position, congratulations for entering the position. And also right now, if you're going to check the daily time frame, we have here a Doge candle, indecisive candle, and Ethereum is bouncing back here, back to the orange line, which is the support level. Daily candle close will be very interesting for Ethereum today, because if daily candle close above this orange line, we might get a strong bounce for Ethereum until we have the first resistance here at around 1.8. Okay, let me mark this one. White lines will be the target for Ethereum until this level here, the previous resistance trend line. So if daily candle close above the orange line, we might get a bullish pump for Ethereum. But if this closes below the orange line, then we might get another drop until the red line here, or the next support. But this is not going to be fast. This will take time. So we might get a revisit of 1767 area or 1770 area for Ethereum if daily candle close below this orange line until here. We have a support here also. All right. So until here, let me color this orange line. So daily candle close below 1850 will be bearish. Daily candle close above this orange line will be bullish for Ethereum. So playing field for Ethereum will be this area. Here. So if you want to set long or short position, watch out for the daily candle close. Right now, it's getting very volatile. Any news about the FOMC? What's the update, guys? Let me know in the chat section. I haven't checked the news. Hey, chill, what's the probability of forming new bottom? The probability of forming new bottom, if Bitcoin drop below the key level support, then it's likely that Bitcoin will revisit the previous low, and we might revisit this area here. But if you have checked, watch the video that I made for possible bottom price of Bitcoin for 2022 and possible bottom date for Bitcoin. So is there a possibility for a new bottom in your opinion? Possibility first, we'll check this key level support. We don't forecast like very long-term target, but we play it day by day. But if we break below the key level support, it's possible that we might revisit the previous low. But if Bitcoin continue to hold this one, this will take time. We might bounce back up until $25,000, this key level resistance. So for now, this will be our playing field. Bitcoin free fall, but not now. It will grow. It will pump to 28 to 30, then free fall to 12. 12. Hit the like and subscribe, folks. Old comments. All right. So let's move on to, are we done with the Ethereum? So Ethereum again, watch out for this orange lines. If we drop below orange line, next target will be 1770 for Ethereum. This is already breaking out from the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So the target typically, or the ideal target for the rising wedge, will be the bottom of this wedge, which is around 1450 area. So that will be long-term target for this breakout. All right. According to Madi Arandi, it's just fake out. So we will know in the coming days. All right. Let's move on to Dogecoin. This was the short position yesterday. So this already dropped by almost 8%. So congratulations to those who have entered the trade. I have entered this trade. I have closed my position last night. I have entered short position for Dogecoin. I have entered a short position for CHZ, and also I'm still holding my short for ETC, Ethereum, Polkadot, and OP. Next we have Polkadot. Watch out for Polkadot. This will be the ideal breakout target for the falling wedge, but Polkadot is a little bit weak, and right now it's on critical level. Based on this Fibonacci retracement area, it's already trading at around 61.8, which is the key level target for Fibonacci retracement. If Polkadot daily candle close below 61.8 or around $8.43, we might see a trend reversal and possible revisit of this previous support here at 7.4 until 6.6. So that's for Polkadot. But if Polkadot continues to hold, we might get a bounce, because this will be the ideal Fibonacci retracement for Polkadot. Here we have our low here, swing low, swing high, and this is based on the Fibonacci retracement. So ideal spot for Fibonacci retracement will be this three yellow lines: 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. Closing below 61.8 will be bearish and possible trend reversal for Polkadot. And last chart for tonight before we end the stream will be Rune. One of the requests here is Rune from New Destination. So let me check Rune. Let's check Rune. Where is Rune? Right. And one of the VIP trades that I've shared today is Rune. Possible bounce from the yellow line. I have also shared this on Twitter, but the details is on the VIP Discord group. So here I would like to show you. the trades in our VIP. So this will be what you will expect inside Discord, guys. We have several trade setups. We have the top 15 cryptos. We have futures trade setup here. I'm also updating some of our trades here, like for example this CHZ short position yesterday. So here are some of the updates. Closing 50% here, adjusting my stop loss to entry at 102%. So one member here, 192%. And next target, we have another setup here. So we are waiting for the next position to be hit. So for Rune, here's the Rune chart, guys. Rune trade update. So here's the Rune chart update. We could get a small bounce from the yellow area. Target will be the orange lines. Price action, check price action in entering a long position. So this was the post today for Rune, and this was the previous short position here. Short was perfect entry. Blue line, 3.15 short position, stop loss, red line. And right now today I've shared this long position near this yellow area here. Target will be the orange area, 2.7 until 2.799. So here's the update, guys. Rune have bounced from the yellow area here. If we're going to check, Rune have bounced from the yellow area and hit our two target, the orange line. So if you're going to zoom in, this is on spot of our target. I will show you this candle here. The high is 2.799. Look at this, guys. Look at this high here. 2.799 is the high, and that's our target based on this call here in our VIP Discord. Long position near the orange yellow line, and target will be the orange lines. So orange line here, we have 2.7 and 2.799. That was a sweet long position right there. So now the update for Rune. What should be the next possible trade setup for Rune? So here, guys, here. This was the previous support, yellow line. And right now, this will serve as a resistance for Rune. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. Possible short position for Rune will be on this area here. Possible short, so possible short position, blue line. Let me delete this area. How do you delete? Previous support turned into a resistance. Possible short, guys, will be this area here. Stop loss, 1 to 2% will be okay. Better actually here to be safe. So let me move this now, because this was the previous trade. Possible short, blue line. And stop loss, well, just limit the risk. Limit the risk to 2.79%. I think this is okay. stop loss, because this is, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Possible target, for this be here, first TP 2, 3, 4. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. Almost 6%. The first target will be around 2.3%, which is okay. We can even move this a little bit here. 1.8, that's okay. So risk to reward 3 versus 7% for Rune, right? So this will be the next trade setup. Possible short entry for Rune. Let me just delete all of this. Okay, all right. All right, let me share this to the VIP. Rune, new trade setup as per the stream. All right. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Sharing is caring. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.